ActiveCampaign, it is a hidden gem in the marketing automation world. They're one of the most affordable providers for small businesses, and their software is exceptionally well designed. Despite this, very few people have even heard of them. I recently moved my automation to ActiveCampaign and have since built a large number of workflows, pushing the software to its limits. Here's what I found. There really aren't many bad things to say about ActiveCampaign. While the dashboard could be more customizable and viewing a contact's details could be made more intuitive, these are minor details. Unlike other marketing automation tools I've used that have been designed for small businesses, I have yet to have an idea that the software won't allow me to build. Their pricing is also extremely generous for the quality of product offered. Overall ease of use, customer support, ActiveCampaign is a very good piece of software with only a small number of flaws. It has one of the best user interfaces for building automation campaigns, making it easy and enjoyable to use. ActiveCampaign were the first platform to pioneer the visual marketing automation builder. The first thing that you notice when you start using ActiveCampaign is how well designed and intuitive the user interface is. It's one of the only marketing automation tools I've used that requires no training to understand. For the majority of small businesses who don't want to commit to paying thousands of dollars per year for marketing automation, ActiveCampaign is a great option. Their pricing starts at just $9 a month with no upfront setup fees at all. ActiveCampaign integrates with over 2,000 plus different tools via their Zapier integration. This enables you to connect to ActiveCampaign with a huge variety of tools. Automation split testing. This feature enables you to A and B test entire sequences against each other, rather than just test individual emails, which is offered by most marketing automation tools. ActiveCampaign has built a number of innovation ML-based features, including predictive sending, predictive content, and predictive win probability scoring of leads to help you automate even more of your marketing and sales processes. ActiveCampaign's marketing automation is particularly powerful because ActiveCampaign has an inbuilt CRM system. This CRM, however, is not as good as standalone platforms like Pipedrive or Salesforce, though we feel this is a reasonable trade-off. All in all, it is the best email autoresponder on the market. Go down below in the description, the link is down there. Grab this great autoresponder.